What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do it in the bottom right. We got more of these functions coming every day. Today we're going to run through goal seek. And what this does is it basically finds that missing variable or input that you need, and you don't have to do all the math, and there's no need to do algebra because Excel's going to do the heavy lifting for us. Let's say on here we know our profit is supposed to be this amount. We have a formula here. It's just the sales times the price minus the cost. Maybe we want the total cost here. So we do that and we should get this total. This one, another example, we have how many sales we have. We sold 967 units, or dollars worth. Then price, what's that? But the cost was this. Okay. And sales, we want to know how much we need to sell at this price with this cost to get to $5,000 in profit. All we do is you click here. You're in your home tab to start. You go up here, look for data, click on that. What if analysis right here, goal seek, and we're going to set profit. This is the cell that the formula is in right here. So we pick that one. We want to put it to value 3872.75, which is right here. Then we're going to change cell. What's the blank one? Right there. And it's part of the formula. Just hit OK. There it is. Then we go here. We'll try it again with another input. We go data, what if, goal seek. We will set cell, this one, the formula, to the value of 3872.75, and we're going to change this cell right here. Hit OK. There it is. And then the last one, how much do we need to sell to get to $5,000 in profit? Data, goal seek. We will set cell profit here to 5,000 by changing cell right there, and they're all in the formula. There's our answer. And one thing you'll have to do with this is you'll need to add the what if analysis add-in. So you go File. After that, you go to Options. You go to Add-ins. And if you don't already have it, not a problem. You just go to Analysis Toolpack. You'll hit, it's usually down here, Analysis Toolpack. Go, and then OK. And that'll do it. So that's Goal Seek, a quick little rundown. Hopefully it works out well for you. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you next time.